My name's Tucker from Contemporary Automotive. This right here is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. I'm going to do a quick video, go over all the features about it, and just do an overall walkthrough. Starting out front, and you can see this one's going to come in the black clear coat. Looks so nice on these Wranglers. It's also going to have these silver accents around the headlights and the grille as well. You're going to get LED headlights and the fog lights down here as well. Up here, you're also going to get the paint match fenders on either side. You're also going to get that in the back, which you can get a better look in just 1 second. Taking a walk along the side, showing it in all its entirety. As you can see, those fenders, like I said, back here as well. This one's going to have the matte black 3-piece hardtop. Matches really well with the black paint. So easy to take off. Takes a few minutes. Just a really nice added touch that you can have in the summer. Or the fall or spring if you're daring enough. Right down here, you get some 18-inch wheels. These are the nice two-tone look, the gray and silver. Really well-equipped tires. They're gonna be perfect and give you a ton of confidence in the winter, but along with just driving in the rain as well. You're gonna get a heated side mirror, as well as the blind spot monitoring in the mirror, so that if anything's in your blind spot, you get a little orange indicator that lets you know it's there. You have wheel-to-wheel running boards as well, kind of help step you up into the cabin. Finishing off our exterior walkthrough back here, you are going to get a backup camera. It's going to be right in the spare tire. Fold this open, and now you can see just how much space you have back here. You're also going to have a nice bag that is going to be for the 2 pieces up front for the hardtop. Toss it in there, and now you don't have to worry about them getting scratched, falling over, or damaging. You have a ton of space back here for groceries, bags, whatever you like. The back seats actually do fold down as well to give you the maximum storage capacity. And this one's going to have the premium audio system, Alpine speakers, which are going to be so nice and just let you bump while you're driving. This one also is going to have the heated rear window so that any snow, any ice, anything like that, fog is going to go away in seconds, so you can see out this rearview mirror. Coming inside now, and you're going to be welcome to some really nice black leather seating all the way around. Right above you, you're going to have some stereos as well. And you have the WeatherTech floor mat, so if you do take it off-roading or just on a snowy day, if your boots are dirty, you get back here, you get in the front seat as well, and you don't have to worry about getting your carpet underneath dirty. You can just take it right out and spray it down, and nice and clean. As you can see, up here as well, black leather seating with the Sahara stitching right in the front seats. You also have a leather stitched steering wheel. Really cool added feature is both the seats and the steering wheel will be heated, so on a nice cold day, come in, press 2 buttons, and now jump back in, and it's nice and warm for you. This one's going to have just a little over 63,000 miles on the dash, so a ton of life left in it. You're going to have your Uconnect 4 system, which is going to have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a whole bunch more. Some really cool settings to kind of make this Jeep your own and adjust to how you like. This is going to have the climate control. All the buttons are going to be right down here for the heated seats, heated steering wheel, all that. This is going to be an automatic with right down there. You can also shift into 4 low, 4 high, all right down here, and just some storage area in the center console. And if you have any more questions that you'd like answered, or you think that this one might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime, give us a call, come on in, take it for a test drive. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 101.